Hello, this is Jason Ingle reporting from my office here in Asheville, North Carolina. It's March the 11th, and this is the February market report for the Asheville real estate market. Well, the big thing to report is it is slow. The last month was not a particularly robust month in terms of the number of homes sold in the area. We closed out about 92 to 95 homes. Not a lot to report there. That's down from an average of about 100, 115 homes that we've been closing out, and well below where we really need to be, which is about 200 homes. So, you know, it's slow. I think the big thing is that snow has been on the ground here since the middle of December, and people just don't want to get out and look around in the cold weather here in the mountains. So we'll take it in stride and keep moving forward. But the median home price up a little bit in February, up to about $194,000, which is up over January's $190,000 figure. And a lot of that is driven by the fact that we have a lot of people out in the market right now looking for homes that are first-time home buyers, taking advantage of the tax credit. And so certainly that particular price range is getting a lot of activity. One thing I do want to point out, if you're looking around in the Asheville area and you happen to be in that $200,000 price range, an area I want to point you to, or point you back to really, is the West Asheville area. Now, West Asheville was an area that gained a lot of notoriety back in the early 2000s, and we had a lot of young people moving into the area. It was a more affordable place to purchase, much more affordable than across the river in the city of Asheville. And because of that, we had a lot of renovation, a lot of rehabilitation going on over there, and they've got a great retail center, all these great little shops over in West Asheville. And it's the only area really in Asheville that you actually have this dynamic of having homes that you can also walk to this great little retail center. At any rate, in the mid-2000s, the prices in West Asheville exploded. The popularity and notoriety was incredible, and it slowed down a lot in terms of sales. It kind of outpriced itself for the people that were moving into the area there. Well, in the past 18 to 20 months, we've seen the prices come down to a point where it's starting to gain notoriety again. So we have a lot of people moving or looking back to West Asheville as a place to be. Without a doubt, if you're in that particular price range, $200,000 and below, you can actually go back into West Asheville and find some pretty decent homes. A lot of them rehabilitated, renovated, and ready to go. A lot of them need work. So if you're looking to do some work and you're handy, that's an area you want to be. A lot of great arts and crafts, cottage bungalows over there. So it's a place to look at if you're in that particular price range. If you don't know much about it and you'd like to learn more about it, you can go to our company's website, which is AshevilleHomebuyer.com. About a third of the way down the page, there's some great videos of areas all around Asheville, and West Asheville happens to be one of them. And there's a really good video there profiling the area, giving you lots of information about West Asheville. So if I could point you to one place where maybe not a deal, but certainly a better deal than you might find in other areas, and some notoriety and some character and some charm, certainly West Asheville is the place to be right now. And by the way, out of those 90-some homes that we closed in February, fully a third of them were across the river in West Asheville. So, like I said, a lot of notoriety, a lot of people looking back to West Asheville again. It's a place you should check out if you're in that particular price range. So, if you need a hard copy of this market report, you can get one on my blog site, which again is viewashevillehomes.blogspot.com. There's a link at the top of the page. It says March Market Report. You can print it off there. And if you're on YouTube, you can go to my blog spot and check it out and see it there. As always, we're here in Asheville. We're ready to help whenever you're ready to start looking. My name is Jason Ingle, and you can reach us here, or you can reach me here at jason@ashevillehomebuyer.com, or you can reach me through my website. I appreciate your time. Thanks for listening.